Well, presenters, welcome back. Coach Tom here today to give you another video to help you improve your hesitation. Now, as a player, I've never been the fastest player, so I've always relied on my deception, and a key ingredient to deceiving defenders is the hesitation. So if you're a slightly slower player and not that quick, this is probably the drill that you need to focus on. Okay, so the dribble incorporates a lot of dribble types, so you have to know the dribble types. It's going to be a pound, you're going to need the cross, you're going to need the in and out, you're going to need the side to side, you're going to need the between under, and then you're going to need the behind the back. Okay, with each one, all we're doing is going from neutral to a side jab and then back. Side jab and then back, and then we're going to hesitate every time we come back. Okay, so it's going to be a pound, hesi, crossover, hesi. Side to side, hezi, in and out, hezi, between, under, hezi, behind, hezi. Okay, so that's the drill, and you're going to try to just cycle through as much as you can, as fast as you can, without losing your dribble. Try to hesitate every time. So pound, hezi, cross, hezi, side to side, hezi, in and out, hezi, between, hezi, behind, hezi, side to side, cross, pound. Okay, so it looks something like that. Okay, so you're trying to mix up every single dribble. Okay, never doing the same one twice, and you want to cycle through, forwards, backwards, mix it up, see where your body takes you, see where your creativity takes you, but the only rule is don't do two of them back to back of the same dribble types. All right, that's all I got. Make sure you guys go practice today. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. Coach Tommy out, reminding you again to take 14 minutes, 24 seconds, or 1% of your day to get better.